my people, we are still live. This is MS Live with your boy Mac Moulton, and I have my next guest in the studio. But I had a great conversation with the Alphago. It's out with a new song, Believer. You can check it out on all streaming platforms and add to your playlist. And my next guest in the studio goes by the name Malo4eva. Brother, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Charlie, the way you become, I did like him. I did like him. But I want us to get into your music career and personal life. How did you come up with the name Malo? Malo4eva. But is Malo your real name?
Yeah, Malo be my real name.
Okay.
My real name. Be my surname.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what does it mean?
It means, my dad said it means blessings.
Blessing.
Yeah.
It can also mean thank you.
It has a lot of meanings. Yeah.
Okay.
I think in Nigeria too, it means my love or something like that. Yeah.
Okay. That's a great name. What about the forever? Where did you get it from?
So it was only Malo, but when you search on Google, you see Wizkid song with Tiwa Savage. So I had to find something so that I stand out when people are searching for my name. Yeah.
Okay. So Malo, how did you get into music?
Music, I grew up in a community where music was like everything. Like people used to tell our stories through music.
So where did you grow up?
I grew up in Nima.
Nima. Yeah. Okay. But you know say Nima there, Charlie, dance or be proper for there.
Yeah.
It be roots for Nima. Okay. I know Shatawali too speak highly of Nima. Okay. But which genre do you do?
I do hip hop.
Hip hop. But a place which is very rooted when it comes to dance. So why did you lean towards different part or different genre, which is hip hop?
The hip hop there, it be my poppy way. They need to play more foreign music like Jay-Z, them slowing. So then me, I did it, then I did try sing their lyrics or I would try to memorize them then. So I was like, me too, I go fit tell my story, but not in dance or maybe through the hip hop way, you know. Because now I love the hip hop more.
Okay. Yeah. So let's talk a little bit about the dancehall culture in Nima. Can you tell us a little bit about it? How has it influenced or shaped how you approach music?
Yeah. You see, those people, like, they talk about what we are going through, like, they speak about the pain and things going on in the trenches, like, through their songs. So I was like, okay, people are using dance, so me too, I can use it through hip-hop and make it a way they can relate with what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I recall 2022, I came to Nima. There was a show Foresight TV was doing back then. I was with Foresight. And Rude Boy Rankin just hopped on stage and they were singing their song word for word. And even VIP, they are from Nima as well. Okay. That means you see...
Yeah, I used to see that. I used to jump our wall and go to the shows. And,
wow.
Yeah. Because when you don't go and we come back to school, you have nothing to say.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you go experience something, can't talk.
I mean, you be bad boy smooth.
Yeah. But them say I be calm, so I will take them like that. Yeah.
So how long have you been doing it? Have you been doing music professionally?
I would say like 3 years now.
3 years, okay.
But more inside the 3 years, like a year and 2, I was more in the studio. I wasn't out. Yeah.
Okay.
I was working on myself, like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why did it take you a while to finally start dropping music? Because as you said, it took you time. You were in the studio, you were learning some 1 or 2 things. Why did it take you a while to start dropping songs?
I didn't really want to rush things. Like I wanted to find my sound.
Okay.
Yeah, my voice too. Yeah. Because you see, when you are freestyling SHS, your friends can tell you it's nice and everything. But thinking about the broader, like when you come to the world, are they going to accept you? Like, So I had to learn a few things before I come out. Yeah.
Okay. I like the self-awareness. I like the self-actualization. What made you take that decision or to make that decision that, okay, let me sit back and just try to identify my sound? What makes me different? What makes me stand out?
Yeah. You see, I look up to a certain people like that are already there. So I wanted to follow their footsteps. I didn't want to rush things. Okay.
So who are some of the artists that I look up to that, their style is different, their style is unique. So if I really want to take this music thing serious, or if I want to make my style very peculiar, that means I need to sit back and learn from this people because they are the benchmark.
Yeah.
So who are some of the artists?
Like Sarkodie like this. Sarkodie is a major factor in my music. Like,
Okay.
he inspires me a lot. Like
Okay.
he came from like where I'm coming from, so his story.
Which side?
Like you see, Sarkodie too is from like those trenches. Like he's from the ground and he became who he is today.
Okay.
So it's
From
must
Tema Community 9. Okay.
So he's and Kwesi Arthur too. Kwesi Arthur, they relate to him fully.
Fully.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your favorite Kwesi Arthur song?
I can't take one.
Okay.
But the one that I really love, people don't really know that one,
Which song be that?
About to Blow.
About to Blow.
Yeah, with K-So.
K-So. Okay, I'll check it out. About to Blow. Okay, what of Sarkodie?
Sarkodie, yeah, you plenty.
Plenty.
You plenty.
Okay. So right now, how many songs do you have out there?
I have about 5 songs now.
5 songs. Okay. You know, a lot of artists come on the show and they will say, I started from the church, I was in the church. Like, to me, I will not say it's their story, but it's kind of cliche to me. But with how you're talking about, that means with you, it did not start from the church.
You know, be church thing.
It be street matter.
Yeah. Be street thing. It be Takashi.
Takashi.
Yeah. You know, be church thing. It's like where I'm coming from. Yeah. And like, Nima, there is full support too.
Okay.
If you are doing
support
something,
your music.
yeah, like if you do something, them day about you know be about only music self. Okay. Yeah, anything, if it's creative wise, them day or back full time.
Okay. Let's talk about your new song. What's the title of the song again?
Still Out Here.
Still Out Here.
Yeah.
What is the ideology behind that song?
Okay, so I'm trying to tell my friends and my family that I've not gotten to where I want to be yet.
Okay.
I'm still out here. You see, when people see you doing the music thing, they see your videos and stuff. Some people think you've already made like
big.
Already big or something.
And I did cash out.
Nah, but it's just something I love doing. So I put my all inside. So I'm trying to tell them that I've not gotten to where I want to be.
Okay.
I'm still on it. I'm still on the process.
Okay. So who produced the song?
Zodiac.
Okay. And who shot the video?
The video was shot by Nisoa.
Nisoa. Okay. So who are some of the artists in future you love to work with?
Well, I would like to work with a lot of the Ghanaian artists.
Okay. Okay.
And some international artists as well.
All right. So Malo, where do you want to see yourself next 5 years?
I want to see myself selling shows and taking Ghana to the world.
Okay. Very great. So
and impacting lives too.
Impacting life. Okay. I asked you about your music. So what makes your music different? What makes the kind of music that you do?
I feel like these days people talk about like things happening, but they've not really gone through it, like experienced it. But coming from me that I've been through those things and I'm still going through them, I feel like they can relate to me more. And I want them to relate to me, and they should feel like they can come out of it.
Okay. Yeah. Great one, bro. So last words to your fans, and where can we reach you on social media?
I want to say they should keep supporting Malo4eva. There are bigger things coming. And trust me, they should trust the process. Yeah,
guys, you got to trust the process. That's Malo4eva. It's out with a new song. You can check it out on all streaming platforms. Guys, unfortunately, we have to wrap up. You can follow us on our socials, MS24GH, #MSLife. You can follow me as well, Mac_Moten. Catch you same time, same place. Love conquers all. Peace. I'm out.